Today I want to talk about some like the tech I bought it and until today like I'm not regretting it. For me, a lot of those tech is like, you see those on the internet and you want to buy it, it's really expensive and then you just imagine how good it is gonna be when you got it and how game changer gonna be, but at the end of the day it is really not. It is just like another tech you bought it, you're happy with 1 week, then you just throw it away or leave in the corner and never use. So this video I'm gonna kind of talk about my experience on using or buying tech I have, and I'm been still using it so far like every single day right now, and some of them even like an investment, like it made part of them back. So we're gonna start with the first one. The first one is actually already on this table, but I don't think you guys can see it. Is this probably already seen those. This is it's not surprising though. This is the iPhone 11, not Pro version. I got it. I only spent $99 for this one because I traded my old iPhone XS Max. Right now I have the Unbox Therapy case on there. This case is actually made out of carbon fiber. At first I saw it just plastic, but it's actually carbon fiber. It's really high quality, pretty slick. It's actually one of my best cases because I'm the type of people that doesn't really use cases. I feel like Apple, Samsung, those big companies spend like billions of dollars to make the device just a slight bit thinner or just the design slight bit cooler. But the thing is, at the end of the day, and people just slap on a huge big old cases and they doesn't really do the work. So this is actually one of my favorite cases plus the phone. So the reason why I upgrade to this phone is from a phone perspective, you guys all know what the iPhone do these days. I don't have to say anything. The special for me is it has the ultra wide angle, which is literally like everyone's saying right now. It has the ultra wide angle. For me, it's a huge deal breaker. I need to vlog, especially vloggers start getting popular, like everyone starting vlogging, and of the huge impact on your image, I think it's just the right focal length, and I think that ultra wide literally, okay, let me put it on this shot right here, side by side. What does it look like right here with the iPhone? So right here, this one is the iPhone, this one is the USR. It's still a huge difference probably, because this camera is, I can use the price of this camera plus this lens and this mic and buy like 6 of this phone or 7 of this phone. But it's not bad, right? Consider it's a camera phone, and especially when you have proper lighting, everything, and probably work pretty well. Vlog, it's in your pocket all the time. Like for this one, I have to think about, I was going to a restaurant or I go to a supermarket, maybe even a gas station. Should I take this camera off? Because it's awkward. This huge setup over here. It's so awkward. People are gonna look at you like, why are you bringing this huge big old camera? Even the supermarket gonna kick you out because they think you're commercial filming, which you don't have a permit. But at the end of the day, you just filming for either your YouTube video or family video. So I do think that this is a huge jump up for like a camera phone. For me, I just care about the camera. Also, one of the huge thing I see people, like for me it's a limitation, is I took a lot of iPhone photography, and on my Instagram, you guys can go check my Instagram. A lot of those pictures I took it on iPhone. By the way, follow my Instagram here. The thing is with the iPhone is small sensor camera all have this problem, is when the lighting is just not as good, you're compromising. Basically you're compromising. The thing is, for photography or videography, you don't want to be compromising. The last thing you want to do is being compromising, because let the gear in your way of the creativity. This guy just saw it with the night mode. Night mode is crazy. Like when I just saw it, before it's on the Android phone, I was like, okay, why is it Apple not putting the night mode on their phone? Now they put it on there. It's crazy. Night mode is crazy, and I do think everyone should start shooting, like not letting the gear in your way as your creativity, being the way of your creativity juice. This guy literally just solved every single problem I had as a camera phone. But the thing is, the only one downside I think for now is not having night mode on the ultra wide, or when the lighting just go a little bit bad and the ultra wide start getting a lot of noise. When I have a lot fast switch from this camera to the iPhone, you can immediately tell a difference. Like, oh my god, why is this shot look so bad? You can tell it's like when the audience notice what's going on, it's not good. It's distracting them from what's actually being told in the content. So I think that's like one bad thing we were talking about right here. I guess that's just only the downside is in the video, and also on the photo on the ultra wide angle lens, it's not giving me like the best low light as I wanted. But overall, this is a huge, I think I love this phone and it's really good, so really enjoy using it. so the second thing actually is not on this table anymore. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, people getting a lot of hate on this product. I use the MacBook Pro 2018 version of 15-inch. It's a dedicated graphic card, and so far I've been happy with it. Just look at how much scratch on my computer, and you know how much I love using this thing. One, it actually served me well. Especially, this is a laptop that actually bring me into editing. Like, I'm a Final Cut user. Back then I was using Sony Vegas, and a little bit while after I've been using Premiere. But I also do a little bit light gaming on this thing. It's not, I don't consider it light gaming. I actually play a lot of AAA game on this thing. So when I say light gaming is I put on the video resolution to kind of like low. I put it on 1600 times 800, which is not even 1080p. But I think as far as I get over 60 frames, it's fine. Like, so I do gaming on those things. I do a lot of video editing. I added over, probably have about 70 video on my channel right now, and 50 of them I added on this laptop, Final Cut Pro. This is another tech. Actually, I think, oh, I didn't mention this in the 2020 tech review video, but this is actually one of the product I bought and I still using it right now. Alright, so the third tech is actually you guys are seeing right now. This is the camera I'm using to record this video, the Canon EOS R. Let me show you guys real quick. My face tracking. Alright, so this is the exactly same frame, trying to match exactly same lighting. For ISO, I have to bump it up a little bit because this one has a bigger sensor, so it letting more light. But this is almost basically exactly the same. Lighting is the same, lens is different because I have to use the API-C lens. So you guys can see the dynamic range different, and background blurry is also different. So, but it's not a huge difference. It's not like $1,000 versus $5,000 difference. So it just depends on you guys. I really recommend this camera also if you just start it up. So the next tech I am going to talk about is this guy, Mavic 2 Zoom. Okay, for here I'm gonna say Mavic 2 because if you want a Zoom version or Pro version, it depends on you. I'm pretty happy with my Zoom version, but if you do want that Pro version, a claim it's gonna give you better image quality. I never tried it before. I do not know how much of a difference it is. So this is the third tech I really recommend it, and I think even today I'm still loving this guy. So this is the Mavic 2 Zoom. I've been using it for over a year now actually. I think I bought it when it just came out, and it's really good. Before I was using the Mavic Air. The thing with Mavic Air is the image transmission signal is just bad because it's using that radio signal, but don't quote me on that because the Mavic Air 2 just came out and it claimed a 10km image transmission signal, which is even better than the Mavic 2. Mavic 2 is 8km image transmission signal. If you want to get the Mavic 2 Air is also really good, but just so far right now, this guy is good, crazy good. Okay, so this is the Mavic 2 Zoom. It can do 24 to 48mm optical zoom. If you want, you can switch to Full HD, and plus some digital zoom plus optical zoom. You can do 100mm, over 100mm zoom, which is literally usually it doesn't give you most aerial footage. It just regular, you know, your aerial footage, regular focal length about 24 to 28mm, depends on what drone you're using. But if you put on that 100mm, it looks like a proper Hollywood. It looks like actually people using a camera and with a telephoto lens shooting out of a helicopter. It doesn't usually look like the typical drone shot you would see. So but like I said earlier, that 1-inch sensor with the Pro does give you better image quality, so it depends on you which one you get, and that depends on your needs. Also, this one is I think it's $200 cheaper than the Pro version. So if that $200 is also a huge deal, you can also choose this one. But I'm really happy with this thing. So that's pretty much it. That's some of the tech I've been using, and still today I wouldn't say almost every single day, because for some stuff like this drone, you just don't use it every single day. You just can't use it every single day. But if I have a chance, I'm really happy and really excited to use it. And for some of them, I actually do use every single day. Also, not only this one, also this camera. This camera you guys see right now, I use it every single day. This one, I use it every single day. that's just my opinion of the some best tech, and I bought it. I still love it. Depends on what time you're watching this video. It might be outdated already. This MacBook Pro is already outdated. Right now you can buy the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the same price. These are just some typical representation of what do you expect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me some of your ideas I can do in the future video. I hope you guys enjoy, and peace.